Okay, so now in this video we're going to take a look at the osteoblast and osteoclast. So if we have some bone here, for the osteoblast, these are bone building. Bone building. It increases bone. Bone building. Osteoblasts are secreting bone matrix and making bones thicker, making bones longer, etc., etc. They're bone building. Osteoclasts are bone breaking. They generally come from immune cells, monocytes, and they are bone breaking. They're taking out and taking out the bad bone, the diseased bone, for example. They're cutting it out and releasing it into the bloodstream. And I'll talk in another video about the differences between the calcium levels. But osteoclast is bone breaking. Now, why did I write this knife and this hammer in here then? Well, the osteoclast are bone breaking, so it's like cutting the bone. And another way to remember this is, with bone building and bone breaking, is osteoclast, with the C, clast, is bone cutting, C-U-T, with a knife. And osteoblast is bone building. Huh? Bone building, B-U-I-L-D. So that B, remember, means build, bone building and bone breaking. Now, the other scientific name, just to kind of put this in there, you might see this on some of your exams, is bone deposition, which means bone depositing, basically. Again, bone building, because when I think about a building, I think about, a hammer and a nail and someone kind of building a house, right? Also, you could be fixing things, but the point is that I'm thinking about hammer, we talk about bone building. So bone deposition, bone building, are all related to the osteoblast with the B, build. And then you have osteoclast. The scientific name for this is bone resorption. Bad spelling there. Bone resorption, which means they are releasing calcium into the bone. So this is the main difference between osteoclast and osteoblast. And again, it's very easy when you remember that C means cut and B means build. So I hope that's clear.